speed the game up, but I think they win by 10.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm finally starting to catch up. This is the last radio of the collection of radios that Jeff brought me probably 2.5 months ago. That's how far behind. But this is the last one of the bunch, caught up. Jeff, you can bring me another set. No hurry. This is a tube radio. It's 7-tube Emerson Bakelite case. It's not plastic. This is Bakelite. I don't know the difference, but anyway, Bakelite came before plastic. AM only, has on-off volume, tone control, and tuning. He said in his notes it has been completely gone over, recapped, and I'm pretty sure this is not original. I think the gentleman that did the work for him added this LED, and I'm thinking the reason is because I fell for it, is I turned on the radio, and I know it's a tube radio, so it takes tubes a while to warm up before you hear anything. This took a long time to warm up. So I think maybe Jeff had this added so he knew that he had power to it. He just had to wait until the tubes warmed up and the audio started coming out. In perfect condition. Let's tune the band here. We're down at the bottom of the band.
Running the football, that will work for them. I'm still
Lots of volume.
Because I think the Bucs are going to key in on
Good
that
sound.
and make sure that if Tommy's going to beat him, he's going to beat him with his arm.
Smooth tuning.
Caídas de pacientes y la capacidad de respuesta del personal.
Same with me. If I died tomorrow, I'd be like, hey, I did a lot of cool stuff. Maybe I wasn't on top.
The few that's still evenly split is going to meet today, and the expectations are.
Takes charge of the agency. The chief of the Federal Emergency Management
Her phone activity before she was killed you see that we have here at the Saints.
Okay, that's it. I don't know if the dial had a backlight. It's very dark, and the tuning indicator, little difficult to see, not bad, but it would certainly be a lot better if it had a light in here. I don't know if it did originally or not. The other thing is, I probably don't have it in the best orientation for AM because the stations are that way and it really should be oriented like that. But I wanted to show you the tuning in the front of the radio, so I left it in this orientation. Let me just quickly tune the band with it oriented correctly and see what I get.
Quite impressed.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I like that better. Not a big difference.
100 to 300. TRRS, this is important.
level of disqualification.
Yeah, let's go stop here.
We've had actually Republicans
That's a little weak.
putting their names on it. Rick
See what
Allen,
happens when I
Georgia,
turn it.
said that he goes, I think Matt Gaetz should say he wants
Ooh,
it
likes-
out there.
ooh,
so that
likes
we can't
there.
use it against him. If there's nothing
Okay.
in there, then what's the
Wow.
problem? And
Likes that direction.
For 30 years.
Yeah. That made a big difference. That's surprising.
Still have them. I would certainly suggest making your family the best.
That's interesting because, let me see if I can turn it around here. Because the loop antenna, hit the camera, it's on, is right there. There's the loop antenna. Now, I don't know what this wire is for. Maybe an external antenna. Oh, there's the model number. 1951 vintage. There's the Sam's Photofax number. I guess the gentleman that worked on this put that there for future reference. Like I say, I don't know what that wire is for. Maybe, like I say, it's for external antenna. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks, Jeff, for loaning these radios. I'm sorry, Jeff, it took me so long to get through this batch with the hurricane and my health problems. I really got delayed a lot. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.